Magandang hapon everyone, magandang hapon sa iyo. Mga pa lang natalo sa question number 5. First, sino pwedeng magbasa ng question?
Wala.
Ito, sila. Bobby.
Find the 7 partial sum of the geometric series below. Go, ilan ko pa yan? Ako na yan, friend. Ako din. 5 plus quantity negative 5 over 2, quantity plus 5 over 4 plus that.
So, partial of 4.
Step 1, identify the given values. The first term is a sub 1 equals 5. So, ito yun. Okay, common ratio niya is yung a sub 2. So, ito na a sub 2 divided by a sub 1. So, negative 5 over 2 divided by 5 reverse. So, equals is negative 1 half. Number of terms is 7. Partial sum.
Kailan tayo kayo ulit tayo?
Use the formula
Kaya tayo.
for the n partial sum. Yung formula niya, Sn equals a sub 1 times 1 minus r raised to n. Substitute the value, the values. A sub, S sub 7, 5 times 1 minus negative 1 half raised to 7 divided by 1 minus negative 1 half. So, yun. So, ang una natin gagawin yung negative 1 half times 7. So, 1 half times 1 half 2 times 2
Huh? 4,
times 2
8,
times 2
16, 32,
188. Yan. Tapos, yung negative 1 half naman, minus yung 1 minus negative 1 half. So, 1, yan. Negative yan ah. Sobrang kasi. So, 1 minus negative 1 half equals 1 times 1 minus negative 1 half. So, negative times negative equals positive. 1 plus 1 half, so 2. Plus yung ratio niya ulit equals, 3. 3 over 2. So, S sub 7 equals 5 times 1 minus negative 1 over 128 divided by 3 over 2. So, ang gagawin natin, ipag-times natin sila. So, negative times negative equals positive. So, 1 plus 3 plus 128 plus 129. So, over 128. Then, S sub 7 equals 5 times 129 over 128 divided by the denominator. 3 over 2. So, yun. Equals 645 over 128. Yung denominator pala, i-flip natin para sa magiging baliktad sila. Yung 2 nasa taas siya, yung 3 nasa baba. So, 645 over 128 times 2 over 3 equals 1,290 over 384. So, ang gagawin natin, i-divide natin siya sa, di-divide yung both side nila sa 6, kung saan pwede silang i-divide pareho. So, i-divide natin by 6. So, 1,290 over 384 divided by 6. Divided by 6 equals 215 over 64. S sub 7, 215 equals over 64. And that's all. It's good.